Very, very excited to welcome you to what has become the largest event in influencer marketing.
It's just amazing to kind of look through the room and see all these faces together at once. It's really incredible. You're doing everything right. You're linking, you're using all the tools, but like, how do you get even better? We saw that you're creating content on your mobile device. So this is the solution we built for it. We would have photos.
There's no other place where everything is 100% shoppable.
We have the team, we have the plan, and we are sprinting ahead.
This year, we launched a new feature, Collections, personalized search, product reviews, price drop notifications, and shopper to creator matching. We recently hit 10 million downloads of the app. We have almost 17 million visitors coming to the LTK platform. And this is because creators have changed the way people shop.
We believe that this is going to be part of future-proofing your business. When we think about what do we believe and what do we need to build, this is in our hearts. Consumers today trust creators more than they trust their family. Wild. Congratulations.
We are all on the same team and we all win together. Let's go!